morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your dry, crusty, Babatunde looking lips. You got to use chapstick. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is chapstick, protect and moisturize, strawberry flavor. When I was in school, this is what everyone used to use for the dry lips, you know, the crusty lips. It look like some scabs, some peeling bark from a tree. That's how bad it look like. But everyone in my school used to use these chapsticks. I didn't see them for a long time. As you can see, this is the strawberry flavor. I will give you a quick sniff test. 1 second. It actually smells like strawberry, but you cannot eat this one. It is for your bubbly. As you can see, it's got a spinning thing here. You just need to spin it. Let me spin it. Oh, expanding. And there you can see the actual chapstick is coming out when you spin it. And this is what you use on your lips, so it does not go dry and crusty like them dirty people. You don't want to be like the dirty people. You want to be like the good one. So there we go. This is what you use. Let me get a good thumbnail for you guys. There we are. Okay, let's put some on the lips and see if it is good. 1 second. Yeah. Very good. Make sure you pucker up your lips. And that's how you do it. I'm telling you guys, if you use this, you are never going to get the dirty lips again. Your lips are not going to be dirty. It is going to be a good one. It is going to be a nice one. It is going to be like Captain Prestige, not Captain America. It's going to be but not a good one. Your lips are not going to be dry ever again. Your lips are going to be happy ever after if you use this one. So yes, if you can find the chapstick, make sure you get it. They used to be available everywhere before, but now I got this one from Amazon. Yeah. So if you find this in Amazon, then please buy it. It will protect your lips. And as always, believe.